Welcome to Audacity. Go to your favorite browser and type in Audacity. This search result will typically take you to audacityteam.org. This is your intended destination. As of the recording date of this video, you'll find Audacity version 3 or above. Regardless, here you'll find Audacity's most current release. By clicking the Release Notes button, you'll have the latest update information for your notes. There is no cost involved for you to download Audacity to your personal computer. It's available for both Windows and Mac. This software will allow you to record, import, and export files, and set the sound quality of the audio file you're creating. Use Audacity's plugins for specialty creations, for editing, as well as effects, accessibility, and analysis. To begin the process, first, download the appropriate Audacity version for your computer to your hard drive. For the sake of this course, we'll use the Windows version of Audacity. Now, let's go through the install process. Once you have Audacity on your hard drive, you're ready to begin the install process. Open the install file, and then click Next. Read through the disclosure and make sure you understand what it's telling you. Once you've done that, click Next. Choose a place on your hard drive for Audacity to work from. Click Next, and Audacity will start the install process. You'll see links for you to learn more about the most recent release of Audacity, as well as be able to visit the user forum to determine solutions that may not be outlined in the software. Once you have installed Audacity, you should get a pop-up message about updates. Now, if there was a previous version of Audacity on your computer where we're installing the most recent release, you may receive a message stating that there's a plugin that will not be configured with the new Audacity. If this is the case, go to the Preferences area in your library and reconfigure that plugin. Once you have the interface, you can expand it to fit your screen.